Hi guys, welcome to day 4 of April 27th through May 1st. So make sure you have your notes handy from yesterday for the Sacagawea article because you're going to be answering questions about it. So if you need to zoom in, make sure you click this little magnifying glass and then just press 100%. That should get you in enough where you can see. So it says, reread the passage about Sacagawea on Wednesday or use your notes. Remember to double click to type in boxes. So you'll put A, B, C, or D in both of these boxes where what you think the answers are. So use what you learned from the reading the selection to respond to these questions. So number 1, look again at that timeline. Based on the sequence shown there, what 2 statements are true? So I'm going to pull up your sequence real quick. Okay, so here is our sequence right here. So remember, if you need to zoom in. So here's our sequencing. It's on day 3, so yesterday. Now, what statements are true? So that means only 2 of these are true and 4 of them are not true. So if you think one of them is true, you're going to type that letter right there. And then the other one you're going to type right there. This question has 2 parts. First, answer part A. Then answer part B. Part A. What event happened first after Sacagawea helped the explorers buy horses from the show shown? So, remember, find your answer here. It'll be back in your article from the previous day. So it'll be just in this whole part right there. Now, part B. Where did you find the specific information needed to answer part A? So just put, maybe if you found it in paragraph 11, which is this whole little thing right here, or paragraph 12, write that. So put, I found it in paragraph 12. Next section. Look at the sequence words right here and phrases in the first column. They show the order of events. Write the letter of the event that belongs with each one. So you're going to need your sequencing thing again. So your timeline. So right here, you will need this page to help you. In 1803, let's see what happened in 1803. Maybe it's in our other thing. Let's look. I'm going to scan and look for In 1803, President Thomas Jefferson decided to map out the newly expanded nation. He sent Meriwether Lewis and William Clark on an expedition to explore the land. So our President Jefferson sent Lewis and Clark on their expedition. So in 1803, Jefferson asked Lewis and Clark to explore the new land. So then you would type in F right there. So just like that, you'll do that with the entire thing right here. Then you'll answer these multiple choice. What important sequence information does paragraph 5 include? So let's look at paragraph 5. In November of 1804, Lewis met, I don't know how to say this, but Charbonneau, and hired him as a translator. Sacagawea joined her husband on the expedition. Their baby was born soon after the journey began. So then you'll go back and pick the answer. And same with this one. What is the meaning of route in this context? Sacagawea helped them find a route through the mountains. So answer those, and then we'll continue on. What is it worth? What would happen if you did not use money? Think about how you would pay for things. So type in this box right here how you would pay for things. Then use this chart below to show something you need and what you could trade to get it. So for instance, 3 pencils would equal a turkey sandwich. So if you wanted a turkey sandwich from your neighbor, you'd give them 3 pencils. Or baseball, you'd get a book.